Hey everyone, good afternoon. I'm sure all of you guys are getting ready for Halloween, getting ready for my trick-or-treaters. We didn't have, well actually I haven't really been home much, but what my neighbors tell me, we don't get like too many trick-or-treaters in this area. This is like my first time in 2 years that I'm going to be home for the kids. Usually I just leave a bag, a big candy bowl out, and then like it's gone by the time I get home at like 6 o'clock. So it's like, one kid probably dumped the whole thing into his bag, and it's like I can't really do anything about that. So these are the Mars chocolate favorites. As you can see, I'm really bad and I dug into it. It's really hard for me to have chocolate in the house because I always end up eating it. It's my favorite. I got to start buying some kind of candy that I don't like so that I don't do that. It comes with 240 pieces. It has like I don't know what that's supposed to be actually, that face. But it looks Halloweenish. Comes with, it's a 4-pound bag, 3.20 ounces, or 1,905.1 grams. So that's the net weight bag. Comes with like a variety of 4 different kinds of chocolates. There are 150 calories per serving in the TWIX brand minis, 130 calories per serving in the 3 Musketeers brand minis, 130 calories per serving in the SNICKERS brand minis, and 150 calories per serving in the Milky Way brand minis. So I love all 4 of these candies, but my absolute favorite is Snickers. So it comes with Twix, 3 Musketeers, Milky Way brand, and Snickers, and they're all pretty small for the most part. It's like the 3 Musketeers mini. It's like they fit in the palm of your hand. So you give a few to each kid, and as it gets later, if I don't get them many trick-or-treaters, I guess I'll be giving a lot more out to each trick-or-treater. Okay, so here's my absolute favorites, the Snickers. Oh my goodness, it's so good. It has like caramel, nuts, obviously chocolate, and then you have the Milky Way, which has like the caramel, the nougat. 3 Musketeers has the nougat, and then Twix has like the cookie wafer. So delish. Wish I didn't like it so much, but I do. Flip this over. So this is best before, what's that date? January 2019. Snickers.com, 3musketeers.com, Twix.com, MilkyWayBar.com. So I guess these are the websites to find out some more information if you need it. There's the barcode on the back. Then it tells you per serving, the different ingredients for each candy bar, how many calories there are in a serving. So you guys can kind of see all that. Calories. Okay, so each thing is a little different. Okay, so the Twix brand minis, 3 cookies is a serving that has 150 calories. 3 Musketeers brand minis has 5 pieces, 130 calories. Snickers brand minis has 3 pieces, 130 calories, and Milky Way brand minis has 4 pieces and 150 calories. So in the Twix brand mini, they have the ingredients listed: milk, chocolate, sugar, cocoa, butter, chocolate, skim milk, lactose, milk fat, soy lecithin, PGPR, artificial flavors, enriched wheat flour, niacin, reduced iron, thiamine mononitrate, riboflavin, folic acid, sugar, palm oil, corn syrup, skim milk, dextrose, less than 2%, salt, cocoa powder, soy lecithin, modified cornstarch, baking soda, artificial flavor. They are kosher, and then the allergy information contains milk, soy, and wheat, may contain peanuts. 3 Musketeers brand minis, 130 calories per serving, has milk, chocolate, sugar, chocolate, cocoa butter, skim milk, lactose, milk fat, soy lecithin, sugar, corn syrup, vegetable oil, hydrogenated palm kernel oil and/or palm oil, cocoa powder processed with alkali, less than 1.5% of salt, egg whites, artificial and natural flavors. Allergy information contains milk, eggs, and soy, may contain peanuts. Kosher. Snickers, we have milk chocolate, sugar, cocoa butter, chocolate, skim milk, lactose, milk fat, soy lecithin, artificial flavor. nuts, corn syrup, sugar, palm oil, skim milk, lactose, salts, egg whites, artificial flavor. Allergy information contains peanuts, milk, and soy. An egg may contain tree nuts, and it's kosher. Milky Way brand minis. Ingredients: milk chocolate, sugar, cocoa butter, skim milk, chocolate, lactose, milk fat, soy lectin, artificial flavor, corn syrup, sugar, vegetable oil, hydrogenated palm kernel oil and or palm oil, skim milk, less than 2% of milk fat, cocoa powder processed with alkali, barley malt extract, lactose, salt, egg whites, chocolate, artificial flavor, contains milks, eggs, and soy, and may contain peanuts, and that's kosher. As well, distributed by Mars Wrigley Confectionery US LLC, Hackettstown, New Jersey, partially produced with genetic engineering. So I think that, I love chocolate. I always did as a kid too. So I also have a little bag of Reese's just in case for extra candy. Also for me, because I've been eating it and Reese's is my favorite. Snickers is a close second though. But I think these are like the perfect to give out to the trick-or-treaters this Halloween, and I think for the most part the kids like these, and I like that it's a variety pack too, so it kind of like gives you a little sampler of each thing, so it's like I'm not just giving the same candy out. So just in case, like, say one of the kids doesn't like Milky Ways, alright, then they'll get some TWIX, Snickers, and Three Musketeers too, so there's bound to be something they like in there. Hopefully they like chocolate. So guys, this was the Mars chocolate variety, 240 pieces in 4 different varieties. We're all ready for Halloween and excited for it. I hope you guys have a great day, and I thank you for watching the video. See you later.